Uploading video to your e-commerce store product page is kinda difficult, and somehow it needs you to take more effort for that. Well, not anymore. With our video player extension from Magento 2, you will be able to do that easily. I am sure that you came up with so many questions that what it is and how will it be useful. Well, let me clear your every doubt. Hi everyone, this is Rupa and today we are going to talk about video player extension from Magento 2. With help of that, you will be able to upload your video directly from your local file to the product page, and that too in no time. It will help you to increase your reach and revenue as well. You can upload video for any kind of product, simple product, configurational product, virtual product, etc. It also allows you to customize your video player appearance as per your choice. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extension for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extension as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and will show you how can you upload the video. Before moving further, I would request you kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. So here we are. As you can see, this is admin sidebar and here we are getting the option of catalog. We'll click over there. Now we'll click on product. As we can see that we are getting number of existing product here. We'll select the product. For that we will upload the video. Now I'm going to select this one. As you can see, this redirected us to a new page. Now we'll scroll down here. After scrolling down, you can see that there is option of images and video. We'll click here. From here you can upload the images and from here you can upload the video. I'm going to click on add video option. Okay, so we are getting few options here, like as video source. If you wanna upload the video from your file, then you can choose upload. If you wanna paste the URL, then you can choose video URL. So for now we are going to choose upload. As we choose upload, so you can see that we are getting the option of upload video. From here we'll choose the video from our file. Okay, so now we have uploaded the video. Now in title section we'll mention about the product name. I'm going to mention here bag. And in description you can mention few things about the product. Okay, so it also allows you to choose preview image for the video. It is like a thumbnail. I'm going to choose it from my local file. Okay, so in role section you can choose base and small. And from here we can save this. So we have to click save from here as well. I'm going to click on save. You must be thinking that how this gonna reflect to the storefront, so I'm going to take you there. For that I'll click on customer view. I'm going to search for the product. Okay, so this is the product. And this is the video we have uploaded. As we have mentioned to you earlier that you can customize video appearance as per your choice. So for that, I'm going to take you back to the admin backend panel and will show you how can you do that. This is admin sidebar and now I'm going to click on store. And we'll click on configuration. Under the webcool option, we are getting the option of video player, so we are going to click over there. Okay, so in video player configuration, we can enable disable module here by choosing yes or no, and we can set our video on autoplay and loop video by choosing yes. Under video player appearance, you can choose primary color. I'm going to choose this one. And under this section, you can provide your player, your customer, the option of play large, mute, volume and full screen. And if you want to provide all these options to your customer, then you can select all these one. I'm going to select all. And now from here we'll save the configuration. Now I'm going to show you how this is gonna reflect to the storefront. For that, I'll take you back to the storefront. Okay, so we will search for the product. This is our product. And this is the primary color I was talking about. This is the primary color. And as you can see that we are getting the option of volume, mute, full screen. So this is how you can customize your video appearance and you can upload the video to the product page. So this is it for now. Hope this video brought you all the clarity about the module. But still, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@webcool.com and you can raise a query at webcool.uvdesk.com. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and you can share your views in the comment section as well. We'll meet in next video. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.